Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the Harvey's Classic Poutine. And this is a Canadian classic. Poutine is basically just fries, cheese curds, and gravy. It's a treat created out of Quebec, Canada, and it is too good. I've had their spicy buffalo chicken poutine and it was amazing, and that's what inspired me to now do this one, because I want to see what the original poutine is all about. It was just a regular size. They have a large. I don't think I could do a large. I could, but I wouldn't feel great after doing that. So there it is, all its glory, with the fries, gravy, and cheese curds. Now they use Swiss LA French fries, so they are very high quality, and this just tastes absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna get right into it. Fries, gravy, cheese curds, delicious. However they make their gravy, it's just really good. It's like not too strong, not too salty. The French fries are a bit salty, but that's kind of to be expected. Their French fries, nice and greasy. It's so good. The cheese curds add a little bit of protein to this, but this is a very fatty food. This gravy is literally just fat. But it's too delicious. Got Diet Pepsi with that to balance it all out. And combining these, not too bad. Poutine doesn't have as many calories, let's say, as a burger and fries would. So if you're looking for something a little bit smaller, this is kind of the best option out there in terms of that. Not the best option, but the most flavorful. Cheese curds are really good. I like them in fries. Like, makes it just so delicious. And cheese curds have a cool texture to them. They're kind of like, I don't want to say rubbery, but they're chewy, kind of like that. Amazing. It's right about salt, fat, and calories. This is a great creation. Harvey's does it right. I like this a little bit more than some of the other poutines out there. So I'm gonna give the classic poutine from Harvey's an 8 out of 10. It matches what you would expect from a normal poutine, original poutine, whatever you want to call it, just the cheese curds, gravy, and fries. It does it with a lot of flavor. The French fries from Harvey's are a little bit saltier and crispier. This one is from actually Swiss LA French fries. Harvey's shares the same French fries. They're really good. I'm not sure if other Harvey's are like that, but this one, it is, and it's really delicious. So go try it. If you've never had a poutine, it's very Canadian, very good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.